O ja, ale! O,
Adaś, jak się leją, młoteczka.
kurwa. Oh my god.
Only hotel doing this vulture acting like a cat. So the vultures that we see here, we call them hooded vultures, in Dutch we call them cap here.
O kurde. Masz filmik, Jackie? Ho, ho, ho. Tym to nie chcę dawać z ręki.
Ojej, Urwa, ugryzła ciebie?
No, chciała.
Co ty? To uważaj.
Ale one są agresywne.
Ojej, Adaś, bo ciebie, Adaś, stratują ciebie.
O ja, ale! O,
Adaś, jak się leją, młoteczka.
kurwa. Oh my god.
Hi, welcome to Mountain Cave Photography. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to our channel right now. So today we're going to be talking about Gambia. We went there for about a week. Didn't do much, just went to chill out. What we did do was we went to SeneGambia Hotel, about 10 minutes walk from our resort. We went and watched wild vultures being fed there. And it's really interesting actually to see the vultures. You can get really close, take really nice photos. So after feeding the vultures, I headed off to the forest right next to SeneGambia Hotel. Lots of wild monkeys fighting, scavenging. There were some really nice and interesting monkeys, but they were quite vicious, fighting for food. And guess what? I got lost. So what happened was I got lost in the forest and I had to kind of find my way out. The light was fading quite fast and I was quite far from my resort. So I had to find a few more people and then follow them around. So as it was presidential elections when we went, basically the whole resort was on lockdown. As soon as I landed, they saw my drone and they stuck a white X on the box. Excuse me, sir, is that a drone in there? Yep. You can't take that in. So it got confiscated. We'll come back to that later. So what I'd say is, just because presidential elections, I did have quite a bad time in Gambia. As a photographer, I was going around and getting stopped by the army all the time. Excuse me, sir. Come over here. Did you take a photo of me? No. Let me have a look. Yeah, so one guy literally grabbed my camera and I had to show him all the photos. Another guy in the resort big gun and said, "Oh, what's that? Oh, it's a GoPro. Are you filming me? No, you better not be." I would have to say the people are really nice there. We didn't have any kind of issues. They were celebrating. They literally took over the whole beach. Yeah, not a single issue. The only thing I would say though, during the elections, they took down the internet and the ATM. Unfortunately for us, we were literally living off debit cards. We didn't really want to carry too much cash. What a bad idea. We literally couldn't get any money out, so there was times where we kind of had to ration. Day of departure, I had this receipt on me and no one knew where to go and pick up my drone. I was getting really worried. Had an hour before we had to check in and no drone and no one could tell me. So literally went to about 3 or 4 security guys, army guys, and then finally managed to track down someone. Literally had to follow him outside the airport, round the perimeter and round the back into what looked like some sort of camp. I thought, oh shoot, this doesn't look good. But anyway, we end up meeting one of the main sergeants or the army guy in the airport, and he literally took us and then he said, okay, here's your drone, sorry you couldn't use it, but please come back. Yeah. Anyway, Gambia, maybe next time. But I'd have to say this trip for us was definitely a thumbs down. Maybe next time we could see a bit more of the country, see a bit more of the culture, see a bit more of the wildlife. You're tuned to Mo and K Photography. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much and speak to you soon.